so we've got Kimmy's SVJ Aventador that Kyle's been working on. This is a 28 grand exhaust system package that people got upset on Facebook. Anyway, Kimmy loves it and that's what matters. So Kyle, tomorrow we'll fire it up?
Yeah, I'm just doing the final checks now.
Yeah.
Making sure everything's perfect.
Then we've got the valve system to wire up and plumb in, and then we can fire it up tomorrow. Looking forward to it?
Definitely.
Okay, so we're with Matty. He's doing a clutch with the Polo GTI. So it's nice to have something a bit more normal than all these fancy supercars. Obviously we love the nice cars, but it is also nice to have like your normal hot hatches. And I believe, Matty, this is something you want, isn't it?
Yes.
There you go. That's exactly what he wants. So he got the job. He's put a new clutch in from Extreme, big expensive clutch, and this will be ready, hold on, shortly, about tonight. Come on, let's go. Right, so the famous G-Wagon that Scott was building. We did say last week, will Scott finish it? For those that watched, he did not finish it, but it's because he was off. So there we go, it's up and ready, it's running. Scott's just putting everything back together and we're going to take it out, put it on the dyno, make sure everything's fine on the dyno, and then we're going to use it for a day or two before we give it back to the customer. So this is Paul's forged JM engine that Jimmy's been building. He's just come back from holiday on Monday as well. We are now on Tuesday, so we're going to see a nice beautiful engine on Friday, painted blue and black I believe. But anyway, let's go see Jimmy because he's sending us heads and he'll tell you what's going down in this engine. Jimmy, hello, welcome back from your holiday.
Head again, Kev. Last time we were in, head.
There we go. Well, he's stripping ahead, so have a little look, see what he's up to.
Just stripped down, Kev. Just preparations. We know we did some checks when we pulled the motor apart, but this is just final cleaning, final prep. We're going to reseat the valves, clean the valves up, clean the valve train. We've got cams to go in, so one up to valve clearance as well. But no, mate.
Kev, come closer. Hopefully you can see us. 34 GTR. We didn't hit 1,000 horsepower. So those that watch the video, you just don't want to see what's going on here anyway. They're not interested in that. Anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to change the fuel pumps. We're going to check what was in there from Japan, and we're going to try and put some bigger capacity pumps so we can see if we can get more fuel pressure, or sorry, sustain the fuel pressure because it drops. As the more boost we demand, the more pressure is needed. At the minute we're losing pressure, and obviously that's not very good for the engine, so we had it halted last week, so that's why I didn't get 1,000 horsepower. So we're going to modify it again and see if we can do it.
Jürgen, what's going on here?
So, this is my 32 GTR race car. It used to belong to a guy called Keith Cowie, so if you're into Japanese cars, you'll know who Keith Cowie is. He's an absolute legend. So, this car is going to have a 35 GTR transmission and a 35 GTR engine all fully built by GM. We're going to run about 12 to 1300 horsepower with about 1100 kilos. Is that right?
About right.
1100 kilos. What do you think about that?
He's playing in my game.
He likes track cars, so what do you think about that? 1100 kilos with 1300 horsepower. What do you think
Be
about
quick.
that?
So I'm hoping I can drag Jürgen from the straight line stuff, the drag stuff, more towards the circuit is where, you know.
Well, he knows I'm a circuit boy because I've got loads of trophies. But anyway, well, Haggie's going to be potentially testing this out for us.
Yeah.
There we go.
Can't wait.
So what's going on here? Kev actually missed this bit last time on the filming, didn't you?
Yeah, I did.
So
Sorry
anyway,
about
so
that.
the vlog, don't worry about that, Kev. So we've got our storage ramps. We're now getting another 3 additional storage ramps in front of it. So we're going to have another 9 cars. 9 plus 9 is 18. I was going to get mixed up there. So we're going to have another 18 cars here. Customer cars, some of my cars, some of the cars we're storing, some of the cars we're working on. Obviously we need the space. And yeah, that's some storage ramps. Right, back to the office. We've got the TNE working on some videos. Don't forget, subscribe on the channel, like the channel. This Wednesday, obviously today, this video's just come out. We are going to do a video on Sunday. Sunday's video, 6:30 is going out. It's Romain's podcast with me and I believe TNE.
I'm going to have more videos just popping out all the time. So subscribe, stay tuned.
Yeah. But Sunday, everybody wanted to see about Romain, so we did ask some questions. So Romain is going to be interviewed in that seat, and his video is out Sunday, 6:30. Apologies for last week's video. We had some technical issues, so we didn't quite get it out in time. But this video, 6:30. That's it. The dream team. So this is Kev, who's been holding the camera. And this is TNE, who's been looking after our channel. So big thanks to these guys, because these boys have been making it happen the last few weeks. Well done, boys.